Good morning, my friends. Today you're going to watch a video of a read aloud on YouTube, and the story today is called "What the Sun Sees and What the Moon Sees." It's a flip side story, so you get to the end of what the sun sees, and then she turns the book over and talks about and reads about what the moon sees. So I want you to listen to that video and see if there's any differences in what you see in the sun in the daytime or in the nighttime. All right, so today you're going to, well, along that lines, I want to show you kind of a little lesson about the sun and the moon and the earth. Okay, so here's a representation. This is just an apple of the sun. This is like if this was a little model, this would be the size of a sun. And then this is a representation of the earth. Look how much bigger the sun is than the earth. So which is bigger? Yeah, the sun is so much bigger. Now, why does it seem that the sun is smaller than the moon? Let me show you. All right, so here's the earth, and it stays right in the same place. And then here is the sun. Do you see how, let me see if I can make it go further back. I don't think I can. But do you see how if something's further away, it looks smaller? Yeah, that's because the sun is so far away. It looks like it's really, really small, but it's really bigger than the earth. And then here is what the moon would be like. See if I can hold these all in one hand. So this is the size that it would be of the moon. It's about a quarter of the size of the earth. So our moon is the smallest, and then earth, and then we have our sun that is so far away. All right, so I just wanted to show you that, give you a little bit of information on that. And then today for our your offline learning, I want to show you what you can do with Dominos and some items to count. So let me just see if I can turn this around. Oh, I can't turn it around. We did this the other day. All right, let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, so if I turn it like this, you're going to be able to see my board, and hopefully it's not too crazy. All right, so here's my my tray of things, and so I have one color over here and one color over here. So you can use anything that you like, just two different types of things. I'm going to stick them outside of my work area so that you can see a little better. And over here I have just a few dominoes. I'm going to pick up one of my dominoes. Ooh, look what I got. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. And then we can go ahead and we can try to count these all together. So 4 plus 4 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's eight things in my area. Take those off. If you don't have dominoes and you do have, you can make them out of paper and make your own dots on it. Or you can just use a number cube and just roll it twice. So here I have 2, And my number cube said 2. I'm going to put this away. And then I roll it again, and I've got 3. Can you see that? 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 up. All right, so let's count them. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and then count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So that's just a fun game that you can pull out and make or play with things that you have in your house. So have fun doing that today. Don't forget to do the poem today. It's a new poem, and I'll have a read aloud for you a little bit later that I read, that I'll be reading to you, okay? All right. Also, our read aloud that you're going to be hearing has a star, and it's called Mommy's Little Star. And this book is about a little fox and a mommy fox. And the mommy is talking, the baby fox is talking about what is in the sky, and if that's all, if that's all where it stops, where does this sky stop? And you'll see at the end what the mommy helps him determine. But because he is very, very special to his mommy, she also calls him her little star. And I wanted to give you guys all a little star today that you could cut out, color, and maybe wear as a necklace today with your name on it. Cut out this star, put your name on it. Don't forget to write your name every day, and that will help you. But I want you to all know that you're like my little stars in my classroom. So I want you to remember that. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.